Here I have BLACKBERRY Z10 and let me show you how to set up this phone. So let me show how to go through the initializing setup process on the following smartphone. As you can see here, you have to start by using the welcome panel. Here you can choose your language. Here you've got a couple of languages, but you can choose also all languages and choose one of the following one. So in my case, let me simply select English, tap next. Here you've got the agreement, so you can read it, and then if you are aware of the following consequences, let's tap I agree. Here you've got some connect mobile network tutorial, let me skip it. And now you may connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend having the internet access, so let me wait until my device shows the list of the Wi-Fi. Let me choose my Wi-Fi, tap connect. The phone is trying to connect to my Wi-Fi. Let's choose next. Tap skip the BlackBerry ID, in my case skip again. Let me disable the diagnostic and location. The phone is looking for available update. Alright, here let me tap OK to automatic updates. Tap continue. Here we have to try some essential gestures, so let's tap here to try. Alright. Let me tap continue. Now you have to do the same thing by using your top screen, tap continue. Alright, let's do it again. And that's it. Now you can close the tutorials and you can use your device. You just activate your BlackBerry. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.